friends, I'm Chiku. Today I'm going to tell you a story. Green to Grey Forest. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful, happy green forest. Each and every animal was very happy. Thank you, God, for giving me a lovely life. Oh, it's a sunny day. I'm going to have my lunch. Roar! Roar! I'm the king of the jungle. I love my animals to be happy. Roar! I love my beautiful jungle. Help! Help! Your Highness, our forest is in danger. Roar! Roar! What's the matter? Your Highness, the people are cutting our trees. Wait, what are you saying? Run, everyone, save your life. Ha 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 ha. I'll cut these trees to earn money. I got lots of wood. Lord, my kingdom, where have you gone? Where are the animals? I can't see anyone. Your Highness, we can't find any food to eat. It's summer. The temperature is rising. Roar! Because of cutting the wood, there's fire everywhere. There's no food. We're dying here. Oh, because of you people, our green forest became grey.
Oh, Tanya, it's a really sad story. I think we people should not cut the forest.
Yes, Chiku, it's very sad. This is a message from us. Please do not cut the forest.